Okay, everyone. Me and Ira Nui did some shopping again. And know what we got? We got the Shin from Amnesia Memories nendoroid. We've been waiting. How many months? 8 months. 8 months for this, since November. We got the bonus. Look at how cute he is. He is the cutest square ever. I mean, not as cute as Sora, but you know. Look, we even got like these cool hands as a bonus. 1 second. Let me bring down my Lendol so we can see it on him. Okay, so we have my model Len Cogvine here. Look at him. Isn't he so cute? Got him a little hat. He's adorable. I'm gonna get these accessories on him. So the selfie stick works, but I don't know. He can't really hold the ice cream all that well. Like, oops. Yeah, like, I thought there'd be like some kind of grip in there, but no, it's kind of hard for him to hold the ice cream. Was just sitting Len down, but then his leg broke. I'll get the acrylic stand set up. I'm sure I can just do that on camera, so. Ugh. I mean, can't be that hard. Why is it not focusing on him? Hold up. I put him in weird. Look at him. He's so cute. He got some smuts on him. Okay, so I'm gonna fix that all later. Put these accessories over here. Len, you can carry those. But let's get to the important part. Him. He's so beautiful. Okay, how are we gonna tackle this paper? I mean, it can't be that hard to get off. It's literally just paper. Ugh. Thank you again, Irene. Look, the box. Let's see that handsome face. Oh, he's so handsome. Okay. He's freed. Let's get that paper off. Okay. This go in the box. Same with that. Yeah, we don't need all of that. Okay. Back to the main event. Look at him. He's so cute. Let's get a whole show off of the box. Look at them all on the back. Beautiful, beautiful. He's actually the better friend. If y'all like Toma, there's something wrong with you. Let's see the bottom. Very cute, very pretty. Alright, how are we gonna open that? Where did I put my handy dandy clippers? Ira, hold that. I thought we literally just had them a few seconds ago. Thank you, Ira. Alright. Oops. You are not getting free foot pictures. Actually, Ira, you're gonna have to hold that again. Thank you. Okay. Alright. Let's get the box open. I didn't damage that, right? Okay, cool. What do you have here? An ad for like easels. Not like I need that. I mean, I have this cool chair. Okay. Get that. Nice red. Matches his beautiful eyes. What up? Gotta trust my thighs for this one. Okay. Here he is. Such a little guy. Look at his cute little faces. So cute. I'm so happy right now. There's some stuff at the bottom. Even though I do a lot of covers in Japanese, I do not speak Japanese. Is there... Okay. At least they have pictures. I can understand pictures. Alright. Wait, where's the English? Uh-oh. Where's English? Oh, there it is. Okay. Why isn't my camera picking up everything? Here. Okay, we can replace all them parts. Cool. Alright. But I don't think that's really necessary. I really like the background in the box. But let's get to the important part. That's right, y'all. It's Shin. You can feel his little face. Okay. There isn't any, like, tape there. Ira, you're gonna have to hold that again. Alright. Time to free him. He's just a little guy. Let's get him out of his cocoon, shall we? Okay. That wasn't too hard. Let's give a whole spin. They actually managed to make his outfit make more sense, which is crazy because obviously if you like Amnesia, you gotta like their clothing because, like, what the hell's going on with that? This way. Here's that. Wait, I'm a genius. I figured out how to make this stand. I gotta grab some other stuff. That should work. Oh! No, it didn't. Actually, one moment, y'all. I found my stand! We can use that. Ugh. Right. Set that up. Okay. Now that I have a better way of recording Shin, I can now finally give a better review. I'm gonna get his, like, parts out. Actually, I kind of want to... Oh, this part moves. He has a big ass forehead. Alright, Shin. Can you, like, take this back part out? I just ripped his face out. Okay. You know, we can just have his husk right there. Alright. Now, we just gotta get his faces out. Got his cute little blushy face. What do we have here? On his cute little smile. Shin has no reason being that cute. There you go, his cute little blushy face. Let's put that in. Wait, I'm doing this right. Right? Am I stupid? Oh, no, I'm not. Ugh. Very cute, very cute. Chico, chico. Alright, let's get his other face in. Honestly, from what I see right now, this is an amazing figure. Right. Like, bear with me, bear with me. I have to do this all while looking at the camera, too. I'm still worried that if I play with this, it's gonna, like, snap off. But I'm sure that they would think of that. Where did I put his bangs? Wait. Am I stupid? Shin might have a bald spot right now. Right. Oh, his head moves. That's wonderful. All this plastic, I don't think I need it. I'll go in the box later. Let's get his, like, throat. Yeah, you got Shin in his throne because he's best boy. Disagree if you want, but you're incorrect. But sadly, I think I have to decapitate him. I guess this is for Toma or something. Ugh. I'm sorry, Shin. Okay, taking off his head is, like, kind of painful because his hair is spiky. Just put that there. Alright, so we have this cute body, I guess. Let's get his arm out. Yeah, it's just... Oh, we are tearing him to shreds. Shin enjoyers, don't look at this. Wait. But we can get a closer look at him if my phone decided to focus. We have his necklace. Oh, they have his piercing. His weird shirt. Actually, is he like wearing a dress? I always thought that she was wearing a dress, like when I see him. I don't even know where this, like, belt thing goes. Okay. We can take his little feet out. Wait. Can we take his little feet out? Are they supposed to get out? Guess. Okay. I wasn't expecting that. Well, here we have his little pants. If you wanted to see that, we have his little pants. Oh, move his legs a bit. It's nice that I just figured that out, you know. Then I could have sat him on his throne more properly. But no, I had to tear him to shreds. See all that? Have his arm. His other arm is there. And his head is just sitting there. Can I, like, make it so y'all can see that better? Yeah, shout out to his phone stand. Like, I totally forgot that I can use it to record. Alright, let's get his, actually, how about I put him back together? Yeah. I don't think Shin really would appreciate being decapitated like that. I know he's smiling, but honestly, if I was torn to shreds, I would be pretty upset. Okay, getting his head back on. Okay. I don't want to break anything, but okay. Oh, he's like a little me. Like that way, like that way. Oh. No, he's looking like y'all know that Pokemon creepypasta? Yeah, he's looking like that. You know, most nendoroid collectors are probably like, Nagi, what the heck are you doing? And I'll be like, I'm just testing the waters. Just testing it. Oh, his chair fell. But let's get his limbs out. Has his arm? His arm, right? Oh, it's the signature arm. Finally get him in his signature pose, y'all. You know, the Shin we all know and love. Oh, that's cool. It's like all gradient in there. I'm gonna put his legs back in. Oh. You cannot pose his legs. Just so you know, you cannot pose his legs at all. Best you can do is a little kick. Can you move his other leg? Let's see. You can move his other leg just a little bit. Oof. Yeah, so, he's not gonna win any kicking wars. Just so you know, he cannot move his legs a lot. I guess I could complain about not being able to move his legs, but I mean, he isn't gonna be able to sit in his chair unless I rip him to shreds again. But yeah, he has this pose. Shin, just relax there. You have this hand. I gotta figure out what that's for holding. Oh, is it for his ring? For the ring? Ugh. Wait. Try and do that on camera. Wait. How is he supposed to hold his ring? Wait. Am I dumb? I mean, I don't think I am, but how's he supposed to hold this? I'm gonna pause this so I can, like, try and figure it out. Update on the ring, it's pissing me off. I've been at this for, like 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I've been trying to shove this damn ring into his little fingers. Oh my god. I fucking did it. Focus, camera, focus. I did it. Oh my god. Put that down. And we can make him hold it, I think. Wait. I think my nails are too long to take his fingy out. Was that my nail? Oops. Is that coming out? Okay. I swear if this isn't the right hand. Okay. Oh, by the way, did y'all see how cute my hold up. Y'all see how cute my shin charm is? No, you can't quite see that, but yeah, I have a shin phone charm. Isn't that so cute? But you want to know what's not cute? The goddamn ring fell out of his finger again. Just 10 minutes! 10 minutes I spent trying to... Okay. Shin, I love you. I love you so much, but I'm starting to think I would enjoy being in Toma's dog cage. Yeah, I think I'd prefer that more, Shin. So if you understand me for just a moment here, you know. Okay. It's in. If I put this down, here it comes right out. Okay, let's have him give us a cute little... It's so cute. There you go. Now you can give it to us. Focus on the ring. I spent too long shoving in. If you also have a shin nendoroid, getting the ring in is an actual pain in the ass. I wouldn't want anyone to go through that. Oh, I guess me, because I'm putting him together. Wait, I'm gonna give him his blushy face. Let's give him that. Okay. It's very easy to change these out. I'll give him that. There you go. This is more Shin. He's our little tsundere. Okay, we'll put him down there. Is this one for the... Okay, I think this one is so he can be sassy and put his hand on his hip. Or is it for the card? I think it's for the card. Please, please, please be easy. Okay. I can hold this card. Which arm is he using? Oops! Okay. Shh. Y'all didn't see that. Y'all didn't see that. Oh. I need the shoulder piece. Oh, his ring is trying to fall out again. Please don't fall out. Okay. This right. That's right. Right. Ugh. How funny would it be if I accidentally put it in the wrong way? Oof. It actually hurts a bit to get that in. There you go. Now you can hold this card. Nice card. Very nice card. Let's get that out. This is sassy arm. Oh, this is a sassy arm. Ow. Ugh. Sassy arm. It's on there. And I think I'm just gonna put his card back. He can hold this too. Okay. I swear, if this is just like the damn ring, I'm gonna scream. I haven't played Amnesia in a while, so I don't really remember what this fan is. I know, I'm such a fakey. But he can hold this too. Or not. He's not very cooperative. Okay, Shin. Okay, Shin. Okay, I see. But yeah, this Shin, nendoroid indeed. Very cute, very lovely. Wait. Oh, you know what I can do? One moment, guys. I can probably just put Shin's head on here. So I can have a little Shin doll. That's if his head wanted to go in. Okay, Shin. Very troublesome. Oops! Okay. Okay, I got it in. I have a Shin doll. Let's compare the head sizes. They're like the same size. Look at that. He's so cute. Now he can sit in his throne. He can sit in his chair now. Yep. Life goals. Shin can now sit in his chair. And then can be Shin now. Yeah. Would recommend if you like Shin.